Good day, grade 5s. Welcome to our maths lesson 2. I hope you find it interesting and fruitful. Our topic is rounding off whole numbers. We know that when you round off numbers, it makes it easy to work with the numbers. We round off numbers when we are estimating so that we get an estimation of the answer. Therefore, the objective of this lesson is for us to be able to round off whole numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1,000. These are the rules that we follow when rounding off. So when we round off to the nearest 10, we look at the units, which are numbers that are on the right of the tens. When rounding off to the nearest 100, we look at the tens, and these are the numbers that are on the right of the hundreds. When we round off to the nearest 1,000, we look at the hundreds, which happens to be the numbers that are on the right of the thousands. So if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. That means we throw away the number and put a 0 where there was that number. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. That means we will use the next multiple of either 10, 100, or 1,000. Now let's go to our example. On our example, we are rounding off 46,185 to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. So, to the nearest 10, we look at the units, and our unit number here is the one that is highlighted in red, which is 5. So, since the number is 5, according to our rules, we round up. That means we add 1 to the tens, and our answer becomes 46,190. Please note, when you are rounding off to nearest 10, also look at our answer, it is a multiple of 10. Then we go on now, we are rounding the same number to the nearest 100. So again, according to our rules, we look at the tens, and our tens number is 8. So since 8 is more than 5, so that means we are going to round up. So we add a 1 to the hundreds, and our answer becomes 46,200. Again, let's look at our answer. It has got 2 zeros, therefore it's indeed the multiple of 100. Now we round off the same number again to the nearest 1,000. So we look at the number that is on the right of the thousands, which are hundreds, and that number is 1. So 1 is less than 5, so we are going to round down. So when you round down, we throw away the numbers on the hundreds, the tens, and the units, and we put zeros, and our answer will be 46,000. So let's look at our answer. It has 3 zeros, therefore it is indeed a multiple of 1,000. It's very important to look and analyze your answer when you are done. So if you are rounding off to nearest 10, your answer should be a multiple of 10. If you are rounding off to nearest 100, your answer should be a multiple of 100. If you are rounding off to the nearest 1,000, your answer also should be a multiple of 1,000. Now, for us to check that we understood, we are going to do homework where we are going to round off each number to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. So we go back to the rules, we reread the rules, and we apply them in order to get our answers. All the best, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you.